Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the fabulous Cara Stewart. Woo!
Thank you. Hi everybody, I'm Cara and I volunteer with the Women's Climate Justice Collective. Yeah, thank you. And that basically came about because I'm a full-time teacher and I thought, what's a nice, relaxing hobby to do after work? Maybe a little bit of pottery, maybe some dismantling of the patriarchy, a little bit of ending fossil fuels. Start small, it's fine. So sometimes I do need some inspiration. So I look to my favourite feminists. You probably know who they are because everybody loves them. That's right. Bees! They deserve a round of applause. Yeah. I do love bees. They have these beautiful matching outfits. They benefit from the hive mind, and best of all, smash the patriarchy. Yeah. Fun fact, did you know it was actually bees that came up with the phrase, "Yes, queen!" Yeah. Well, now you know. Yeah, no, it's good. I wonder if there's a men's rights activist out there somewhere just so angry, like, first the Gillette ad and now bees, just like pouring their honey down the sink. Think you're better than me, bees? I can pollinate my own food. I actually had some friends over in the front yard the other day and we were discussing this Gillette ad and we were saying how crazy it is that some people got so worked up over it. Like if someone suggests to you that being a nice person is a good idea, and that fills you with rage, maybe there's room for some growth, maybe a little bit of self-reflection, perhaps a beekeeping course. I don't know. So we're discussing this ad and I started to feel really grateful that I have this lovely partner. He's here tonight somewhere out there. Where are you, Jess? There he is, Jesse, yeah. He is just this lovely guy. Everyone who knows him knows he's this lovely, evolved guy, you know. He listens and he talks about his emotions. He identifies as a feminist. Yeah. And just as I was feeling all loved up, he shouts out to me, "Look what I've done!" And I look over and he's written his name across the fence in urine. And he's so proud. He's like, I could have kept going. I had more to give. And I'm like, we're in our front yard. There's a playground like right there. How long did you have your dick out for? To his credit, he's clearly literate. Great hand-eye coordination and, admittedly, beautiful penmanship. So, I think I picked a winner. Yeah. You can stay, Jess. Oh, dear. Yes, so, we were chatting about this Gillette ad and I was thinking, well, I'm not too worried about dismantling the patriarchy domestically. A little more worried about the fossil fuel industry because they like to pee on other people's fences. And so I tried to get inside the head of a fossil fuel executive and I imagined my plush office, like old growth forest desk, like chair carved out of dead coral and pens filled with the blood of endangered animals. Motivational poster, just keep digging. And I can just imagine like pulling my hair out, like, what keeps these climate activists going? Why won't they quit? Is it money? Nah, they are broke. Is it hope? No, they're in the depths of despair. What is it? And then I realised, you guys, it's hummus. That's what's keeping us going. I don't want to sound like some conspiracy theorist here, but every climate event, every action, hummus. I swear you could be chained onto like a bulldozer and someone would just appear with hummus on a gluten-free cracker, like, stay strong. I'm a bit worried that actually one of you here tonight's a fossil fuel rep taking notes, like, add gluten to hummus. No more activism. Well, joke's on you, because we've been stockpiling chickpeas since the 60s. Chickpeas and wheat. So we're going to be fine. In fact, I'm sure that the climate movement's going to win. Because we've got bees on our side, we've got hummus on our side, and we've got partners with amazing urine accuracy skills on our side. So let's do this!